Hi, I'm Sandra Smith, Product Manager for Wexxar Bel. Today we're going to look at the inefficiencies of the hand pack line versus the single operator, single solution, the BEL 5252U. Traditional hand pack lines where a lot of companies start, where operators are wrestling corrugates to either form cases, get product into them. Sometimes they pre-form them and you see a giant wall of cases in the back. There's a lot more labor costs associated with this, a lot more floor space required, tremendous amount of inconsistency in terms of wasted materials and time needed. With the single solution, the single operator, the BEL 5252U, you have greater mobility of the system. It's flexible and adaptable to your application. We can wheel the system where it needs to be, and with a single operator, we can match the output of multiple operators in a hand pack situation. So you see the operator opens the case from flat, pushes it down into the machine, and the case is folded and held in place. So you're packing directly into your own box. Both hands are free for the operators for maximum efficiency for loading of the case. Once the case is loaded, the operator just pushes it a few inches until the sealer picks up the case and takes it through the snap folder mechanism, which folds the top of the case and then on in through the sealing. So in a single footprint, we're forming, we're packing, and sealing. The three needs are being met by that single operator. On through the tape head, so you have greater product protection through our deck of 22 tape heads, consistency in sealing, and throughput and reliability. For form, pack, and sealing solutions, the BEL 5252 is your best overall investment.